How to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To view someone's TikTok story, first and foremost, open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have installed the TikTok app in your device and it is up to date. Also, log in into your account. To view someone's TikTok story without them knowing, there is two of the case. Firstly, you should either use a secondary account that is not your main account. By this way, you can easily check out someone's TikTok story, yet they will not be able to identify who the real one is. So that is the first case. Second one is you can check it out using a friend's account or asking a friend for a favor. So that is the only two possible way. If not, there is no other way to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing, as TikTok will display your username right at the bottom of the story and it will be listed as story viewers. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.